How to create Oracle Workspace. This is our Oracle Apex, and click on this build intelligent enterprise apps you can't trust with Oracle AI Apex. Okay, and get started. Click on that and sign up for free. Okay, here name Gupta and mail ID Gupta Cloud 12 at the rate and workspace Jitendra Gupta. Okay, country is the India. And here, are you new or Oracle Apex? No. Do you plan use Apex education training? Yes. Are you new Oracle Apex? Yes. And agree. Here, click on that. Request workspace. Please, I think one workspace each existing. Okay, and click on that and open Gmail. Here, open Gmail. And not come. And not come. Why not come? The cloud. This one. You receive an email in approve. Workspace once this request has been approved. Okay. Click on that. Click on this.